Welcome to this video on auditing smart contracts and security best practices for decentralized finance, or DeFi. Smart contracts are the backbone of DeFi applications, handling billions of dollars in transactions. Understanding how to audit and secure these contracts is crucial for anyone building or investing in the DeFi ecosystem. Let's explore why audits matter and how they protect users and protocols. Smart contract audits are absolutely critical in the DeFi space. Over $3 billion have been lost due to smart contract vulnerabilities and exploits. This staggering number highlights the real-world consequences of insecure code. What makes this even more serious is that smart contracts are immutable once deployed. Unlike traditional software that can be patched and updated, bugs in smart contracts are permanent. A single vulnerability can lead to catastrophic losses, with no way to reverse the damage. A smart contract audit is a comprehensive security evaluation process with four main components. First, there's code review, which involves systematic examination of the contract source code looking for vulnerabilities. Second, security testing uses both automated tools and manual techniques to identify potential exploits. Third, auditors verify the code against industry best practices and established coding guidelines. Finally, the audit concludes with a detailed report that includes all findings, severity ratings, and specific recommendations for fixes. Let's look at some of the most common vulnerabilities found in smart contracts. Reentrancy attacks occur when malicious contracts repeatedly call functions before state updates are complete, allowing attackers to drain funds. Integer overflow and underflow happen when arithmetic operations exceed maximum or minimum values, leading to unexpected behavior. Access control issues arise when unauthorized users gain access to privileged functions that should be restricted. These vulnerabilities have been exploited countless times, causing massive financial losses. Here's a real example of a reentrancy vulnerability. In this withdraw function, the contract first checks if the user has sufficient balance. Then it sends Ether to the user using the call function. Only after that does it update the user's balance. The problem is that the call to the user's address happens before the balance is updated. A malicious contract can exploit this by calling withdraw again before the balance update occurs, repeatedly draining funds from the contract. Now let's see the secure version using the checks affects interactions pattern. The fix is simple but crucial. First, we still check that the user has sufficient balance, but now we update the user's balance immediately before making the external call. This means even if the user's contract tries to call withdraw again, the balance has already been reduced, preventing the reentrancy attack. This pattern of updating state before external calls is a fundamental security practice in smart contract development. The audit process follows a systematic approach with three main phases. First is scope definition, where auditors identify which contracts need to be reviewed, their dependencies, and the specific objectives of the audit. Second is automated analysis, where security tools scan the code to detect known vulnerability patterns quickly and efficiently. Third is manual review, where expert auditors analyze the business logic, edge cases, and complex interactions that automated tools might miss. This combination of automated and manual techniques ensures thorough coverage. Several powerful tools help auditors identify vulnerabilities. Slither is a static analysis framework specifically designed for finding Solidity vulnerabilities. Mythril performs security analysis using symbolic execution to explore different code paths. Echidna is a fuzzing tool that uses property-based testing to discover edge cases. Manticore provides dynamic binary analysis with symbolic execution for deeper insights. Professional auditors typically use multiple tools in combination to maximize vulnerability detection. Following security best practices significantly reduces the risk of vulnerabilities. First, test thoroughly by writing comprehensive unit and integration tests covering all possible scenarios, including edge cases. Second, follow established standards and use battle-tested libraries like OpenZeppelin rather than implementing everything from scratch. Third, get multiple independent audits from different firms. Each audit team brings unique perspectives and may catch issues others miss. Remember, security is an investment that pays off by preventing costly exploits. Let's recap the key takeaways. Audits are essential for identifying vulnerabilities before deployment, potentially saving millions of dollars and protecting user funds. Always combine automated tools with manual expert review for comprehensive coverage. Security is ongoing, not a one-time event. Continue monitoring contracts even after deployment to catch any emerging threats. Finally, remember that prevention is far cheaper than fixing exploits. Investing in proper audits and security practices upfront is always worth it. Thank you for watching, and stay secure in your smart contract development journey.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.